Now let's start the
Mm,
conversation. Hi, good morning.
A very good morning, brother.
Yeah, so how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. Thanks for your concern. So we are
Okay.
meeting first time. So
Yeah.
let's introduce each other and let
Yeah.
the viewers know who we are and where we are from.
Oh, yes, right. Okay,
Yeah,
so my name is Sanjuk Masidar, and I am from Chhattisgarh. I'm a graduate, and nowadays I'm just preparing for upcoming government exam. And if I talk about my hobbies are reading books, watching videos. Earlier I used to play cricket, but nowadays I don't play cricket. And yeah, so that's all from my side.
okay, that's great. So should I record? Should I start the introduction?
Yeah, you can tell me
I'm
about yourself
Yugandhar
now.
Kumar. I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Badauni district, and I did BCA. And my hobbies are, reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. And I live in a village. That is my introduction.
Oh, wow, very nice. I am also from the village, but nowadays I'm living in the city
Yeah,
because I have some works here. Okay, so Yogendra, my teacher name is also Yogendra. When I was doing in BEd, I had a teacher. His
yeah,
name was also Yogendra Patel,
yeah,
and I was very much in awe of him because he's very daunting teacher.
yeah.
So every time I have to speak to him, I started sweating and getting nervous. So he always tells me, please do not get nervous, do not start sweating. You look very big man and you just speak very slowly. So you have to speak a bit louder. Every time he says this thing to me.
Yeah.
So your
But
name just remind me of.
yeah, but the way you are speaking very slowly is very nice. Actually, you know what? I everyone can understand easily, so that is a good thing. Speaking slowly.
Yeah, yeah. I think everyone should speak at a decent speed so that everyone can understand them. If
Yeah,
you're speaking very fast, no one can understand them. There is no point of speaking very fast
yeah, right, right.
because someone say, everybody says and everybody has this opinion that fluency means speaking very fast.
Yeah,
No,
right, right.
fluency doesn't mean speaking very fast. It means speaking at a decent speed so that everyone can understand you.
Yeah,
Because I have some friends from English medium school. They have done their schooling in college in English medium, and they say the same thing that fluency doesn't mean speaking very fast.
yeah, right.
So, bro, you have done your BCA. So,
Yeah.
what is your next plan? What do you want to do? You want to
Actually,
do your
my next plan, I
MCA?
want to do, I want to do post graduation in MCA, and then I will do job.
Okay. Because
Yeah,
when I was in first year, I had a friend. I still remember his name. His name was Rana. He was very good BCA student. He was very good at coding and everything, and he was very good at speaking as well. Even though he was from Hindi medium,
yeah,
but
right.
he decided to do his BCA in English medium. First year was very difficult for him, as he told me. But second and final year, he was very okay. And students who were from English medium, they used to think that he's from English medium. His English
Yeah,
has
right, right.
he has improved his English to to a great level.
Yeah, yeah, right. Actually,
And
I was
he used
like that. When I joined when I joined college, so I was from Hindi medium. So when I suddenly switched college into college in English medium, so I got this problem. I had problems of reading. Pronunciation is very difficult in English,
difficult
and
for Hindi
so I
medium.
had a
Yeah,
lot
yeah.
of problems. But I somehow managed in my in my college, and
Okay.
so And I thought when I was in college in 2020 during lockdown, thought I should learn this language. So I started exploring a lot of things, how to start and where to start and with whom to practice first,
Okay.
and then I covered basic things, vocabulary and tense, and then I started watching movies and doing I searched for I think 1 or 2 years for a practice partner. Okay, so and meanwhile I bought one course, Josh Talks, where I spent 1,000 and for 1 year, and it helped me a lot. And because of
Okay.
that, I am here. And then I started, thinking, I should start talking with myself and uploading on YouTube, and so that I could, I could get, practice partner. So it helped me a lot. What I thought, just it happened in my life.
That's
Yeah,
very right and very nice that you really want to learn this language, and you
yeah.
took subscription in Joe Stock, and also you watch videos on YouTube. So do you watch English movie?
Yeah, I watch English movies.
Okay, so do you watch it with subtitle or without subtitle? Because I
Actually,
also watch.
at the first when I started watching English movies, so I watched with
Mhm.
subtitle. But right now I'm comfortable with subtitle or without subtitle.
Okay, okay. Because I also watch English movies on YouTube. So
Yeah,
sometimes I find it a bit difficult for me to pick up their
understand.
word. Sometimes I
Yeah,
miss.
right.
Sometimes I miss the word. So I have to watch with subtitle again to understand their
Yeah, and
accent.
hard actually. We
Though,
don't we don't we,
yeah,
we don't we shy we don't we shy. Actually, it is our second language, so we are learning language. So learning means
yeah,
we have to start from beginning.
yes, yes, you're right. But
Yeah.
only movies. Well, I have a problem. I get this problem when I watch movies. When I watch any podcast or I listen to or watch to news, I don't have problem. And I have some friends from Australia and America. I talk to them, so I don't face any problem in understanding them. But
Yeah.
yeah, when I watch movie, I miss some word. And
Actually, in movies, they speak very fast.
they speak very
And
fast, and
yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. And also the
and
background music.
yeah, right.
And the problem is that like in our Hindi movie, actors they speak a bit louder, and in English movie they speak very slowly.
Okay, so
You have to
Sanju,
pay a lot of
uh,
attention.
I, I want to say something. Actually, people are coming. There are lots of people coming, and they will make noise. So let's meet another time. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Take care.